Hi, my name is Reese from ATSPACE, and today I'm going to be answering the question of what is a Veritherm test? A Veritherm test is a real-world measurement of a building's energy performance. We do this using things such as data loggers, which logs the temperature of each room, heaters for distributing the heat, and fans for moving the heat around the home, each of which are connected into these Wi-Fi enabled plugs and all connected to a central router. This means overnight we can leave the equipment to its own devices, and all these will all interlink and do the test automatically without any input from ourselves. So what is the purpose of a Veritherm test? Not only does it test the real world performance of the building's energy, but it can also test the workmanship as well. Things such as the insulation that's been installed, making sure that it's up to the correct standard, and also that there are no gaps and leakage areas within that building for heat loss. It can also be used in conjunction with the SAPs and EPCs, as the data from a Veritherm test can be used within the SAP database and the EPC. So what are the key stages of a Veritherm test? The first one is going to be planning. We need to make sure that all the data is there prior to testing, such as the EPC data, as this will be used at the end to compare against the actual performance. The next key stage is preparation. This is just to make sure that the equipment has been distributed correctly throughout the building. We need to make sure that the heat is getting put in the correct areas and that the fans are then distributing that heat throughout the building. The next key stage is measurement. This is making sure that the equipment left overnight is measuring correctly. The first stage of that would be for the house to heat up. From then on, it'll cool down. This is when the measurements will be taken. The data loggers will take a measurement every minute, making sure that we got fast and accurate results. The final stage is validation. When the test is complete, we've got an instant report and certificate of the test results. And these will give you a breakdown of each individual characteristic from that test. So there we have it. I've just answered the question of what is a Veritherm test. For more information on Veritherm and other services that we provide, head over to our Knowledge Hub, where you'll find more answers and videos on these subjects.